this House as the first cabinet secretary to fail to appear before the House. It is not a good record, but it must go on record. She is the first cabinet secretary in the history of the 13th Parliament to contemptuously fail to appear before the House. And this is behavior that we must not tolerate, so that it serves as a warning shot to others, as they used to say in Vioja Mahakamani, kwa wengine walio na nia kama yake. So, for the others who may have such intents, notice is served. And I say notice is served from none other than the majority leader who has that responsibility to ensure that we schedule them and they appear. And they must appear, Honorable Speaker. Therefore, Honorable Speaker, allow me just to note that she had requested that if the House will still be sitting, and I told her that is not for me to decide. It is for the House to decide whether by 7 p.m. we can wait for her to catch her flight from Mombasa from the NITA meeting. And I will leave that to the House, Honorable Speaker. Thank you.
Thank you, Majority Leader. You know, questions are limited to the first 3 hours of our sitting, from 3 to maximum